Let's talk order forms. First of all, customer order forms. I always lay my order forms out on the chairs before the show along with my guest survey and my love it list and anything else that I might want to give my guests along with a pen. So it's all ready to go. I encourage them to fill out the top of the information and write their little wish list on that form and bring it to me, and I will help them add it up. So when they come to me, I'm gonna affirm what they got. Oh my gosh, I love that you got the willow necklace. That's one of my favorites. You can wear it so many different ways. And then I'm gonna talk to them about if they wanna take advantage of my special. My special is if they spend $75, they get their next item 25% off or 50% off if they book a show. So it's a great time to talk to them about scheduling a show at checkout. But then I'm gonna go ahead and add this up. Now, one key thing is if they get any kind of a discount, the discount needs to be reflected on this order form. And their total in that little pink box that says jewelry total needs to reflect any discounts that I may have given them. So if I gave them 20% off because they were a past hostess of mine, or I gave them 25% off an item because they took advantage of that special, I'm gonna want to list that on here. So I want it to say 25% off, and then we're gonna note the new price, and that's what I'm gonna add up and put in that box right there. So if they got a discount, there'll probably be some change in this box. I'm gonna add in the $4 for shipping and then the sales tax. So in Pittsburgh, it's 7%, so we would multiply that total that has the shipping in it by 0.07. That gives me the tax, and then we add it together, and that's her total. Now, I'm gonna mark how she paid. Okay, I'm gonna circle it. Very important, especially if she pays in cash, or because you won't remember that she did that, and you'll be thinking, did I get paid? I don't mind splitting payments, so they could pay a couple different credit cards, they can write checks made to me, they can do cash, they could do a combination. Just make note of it on here. If you have anything that you want to remember about this customer, then write that in the notes section for yourself. For this gal, I needed to remember about a change in address, so I wrote that on there. It might be that she split the cards, and so I'm going to make a note to myself that she used 2 different credit cards to pay. But this is my section to help me to remember. But we're going to want to list out, so like this gal, you can see she got 25% off that item, so we just made note of that, and then that's reflected in the total. So that's what we want to do. We want all of our information on there so we can put that into our system, hopefully Houghton House if you have it. Now, if you have Houghton House and you get any orders before the show or after the show, you can make a really nice receipt and email it to the hostess and the customer, which is so nice. We love that. Now, what I do is there are 3 copies to this particular order form. I give the back copy to the guest, making sure my name and information is on there, my phone number and my email so she can contact me. I like to put it in a little style guide, makes it kind of nice. And then there are 2 more left. The white one is for us for sure, but this pink one, what I like to do is give that to my hostess. So she has everybody's contact information and she knows what everybody ordered because she's curious. Okay, so these are your order forms. Now, what I do with them then is that I have a paper that I make for my hostesses, and I keep it in my checkout notebook, a 3-ring binder, and this sort of keeps me sane with all of her information. I just take all of the order forms and I put them along with the guest surveys right in the back of this paper, along with any pre-sales or anything like that that I need to keep track of so that I can come home and put those orders in. So that is what I do with my customer order forms.